Guys, and today I will be playing Dog Simulator. So let's start. This is me here. So I'll show you the characters I have, and all of them get reported by. This is a boy. That's a girl, and that's a girl. And then I'm putting more tender numbers in. Okay. So on this game, you have to try to battle things so you can level up, and you can be on a multiplayer. See, this game is so fun. It's so addicting to me though. And I have 14,382 coins. Another person. Oh, okay. And on my main dog, I'm level 15 or something. I'm saving up for 50,000 coins. Can I show you what I really want? Add. Look how cool this is. So I really want to get this. It's so cool. And this dog looks like my dog in real life, except the tail isn't black. Otherwise, it would look like my dog. This dog is just so weird. Oh my, it makes me cringe. So what I'm gonna do is, for the girl, it's gonna look like this. No, the girl's gonna look like this if once I have enough for both of these. The girl's gonna have this one, and the boy is gonna be this one. I think that's a smart idea. And on this game, it's really good to have a family, because when you're fighting, they help you fight. So you guys should download Dog Simulator. Yeah, you got 15,000 now. I think I'm gonna save at 100,000 so I can maybe get both. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Well, that was easy. My cousin Olivia showed me this game, and I really love it. So shout out to my cousin Olivia. Okay, I think I'm gonna end today's video. So see you later.